It's 6:44 sang gabi and we got invited sa isa ka birthday party sa isa namon ka client. So we're gonna go there and let's eat some Indian food. And look at this, guys. Nakita ko kasi inyo ako muna ginagawa akong sapatos. Subong. Barefoot Ganda higit sa'yo.
Here.
So ari na kami di sa balay sa mga kliyente. Kumplito kami ala si Sherwin, si Buki, kag si
Marian D.
Hello, boss!
Hello! Coco! Hello! Hi, Riva! Happy birthday!
Si boss. Small, long. Pick one color that you like. One color. Hello, Riva. Happy birthday. Pick one color. Pick one color.
Okay. This is the birthday girl. Mexican quesadilla.
Pani puri. Spicy. It is spicy.
Hello, Riva. Cheers.
Yeah. Yo! Pani puri.
Spicy nahi hai.
Little. Sweet, this might be very sweet actually.
Cheers.
Very sweet. Can I have little? You want
Very
more?
good.
How is it? I'll go engineer. How is it?
I'll finish this one. Yeah.
You're already full, huh? Oh, okay. So the food.
Let's have kung pao sauce. Alright, so we're gonna try it out. Burnt garlic noodles. Let's try the noodles. So it's noodly and pancity. Very nice. Pancit canton nga no. I would say the pancit canton nga pa-upscale nga pancit canton. Okay, and next one we'll try this Thai basil chicken rice. Rich in sauce. Let's try the chicken. So good.
Spicy. Asado.
Describe the taste sa ating mga
Describe it.
Pan City.
Pumukas na sayo
Try na ta sa aton nga, of course, authentic. Ini yung buttered chicken. Buttery
Chickeny.
and chickeny.
Chickeny.
Lain gid yung original nga mga cooking dili sa Dubai. And ang kulcha.
Goes well sa butter chicken. Perfect flavor.
Perfect today. Right, we're gonna try this pani puri, no, sir? Pani puri. Dahi puri. What's the difference between the pani puri and this one?
Sir, pani puri is only water.
This one.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. I see. Natawa niyo pala may yogurt. Tapos sila yung butang, may harap pa sila. What is that, salt?
Chaat masala.
Chat masala. This red one is what?
And chili.
Chili. Okay. Only little maybe. Okay. This is?
Sev.
Wow, look at that. It's full of flavors.
Coriander leaves.
Coriander leaves. Pomegranate. Awesome. Thank you, bye. Bel puri. Thanks to me. Very creamy.
Namet.
Number 1. Egg number 1.
I see.
Guys, kung makakadto ka mo sa Dubai, kadto mo di try nyo mga pagkaon. Dira sa Pilipinas, wala eh. Nagtugid ka muna sa Dubai. Para matilawan nyo na muna yung authentic yung mga Indian, yung mga cuisine.
Sadya na din sa tayo yan na. Adam is dancing. I know, right?